Children, let's learn about consonant blends. Let's begin with consonant blend SN. The sound is sn, 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 snail, snake, snap, snip, snore. Consonant blend ST. The sound is st, 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 star, stone, still, store, steps, stop, stand. Consonant blend SK. The sound is sk, 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 skip, skull, skate, skunk. Consonant blend SP. The sound is sp, 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 spoon, spark, spill, space, spam, spade, spell, spear, spore, spick, spin. Consonant blend SM. The sound is sm, 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 smell, smoke, smile. Good job, children. See you in the next videos.